Hey there guys, it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to discuss about the Bitwise operator and now in this lesson, we are going to talk about Bitwise. And Bitwise comes from the word bit, which is the smallest unit of measurement in a computer. Or ito yung pinakamaliit na data na nare-recognize ng computer natin. And it is also the short term for binary digit. Okay? So in this lesson, meron tayong apat na bitwise operators na i-discuss. And that would be AND, NOT, OR, and then XOR. Pero in this video, we are going to discuss the AND operator first. And then yung symbol niya would be that ampersand, okay? Now, let's try to apply this. So given na meron tayong A, which is 100, kapag nakita tayo nito, automatic, it is base 2 or it is a binary number. And given tayo ng B, which is 111, kailangan natin hanapin yung A and B. Okay? So, recall lang tayo dun sa truth tables natin. So, this operator is the same concept dun sa logical operator na AND na ganyan. Which means, kapag nakita tayo ng 0, automatic 0 siya. So, let's try this example, yung A and B. Ang una natin gagawin is to look dito sa pinaka-rightmost part and that would be 0 and 1. Ang sagot dyan would be 0 since nakakita nga tayo ng 0. Then next one would be 0 and 1, that would be 0. And then 1 and 1, that would be 1. So this is our answer. Okay? Now, let's try this example. Find x and y. Again, dito tayo magsisimula sa part na to. And that would be 1 and 0, that would be 0. 1 and 0, that would be 0. 0 and 1, that would be 0. 1 and 0, that would be 0. And 1 and 1, that would be 1. So, ito yung sagot natin sa bitwise. Okay? Nilalagyan ko lang ng base 2 dahil yun ay isang binary number. Now, let's try this next example. This would be P and Q. So, kailangan natin mahanap to. So, ang value niyan would be, again, dito tayo magsa-start. So, 1 and 0, that would be 0. 1 and 1, that would be 1. 0 and 1, that would be 0. 1 and 0, that would be 0. 0 and 1, that would be 0. 1 and 1, that would be 1. 0 and 1, that would be 0. 1 and 1, that would be 1. And then 0 and 0, that would be 0. And then 1 and 1, that would be 1. So, ito yung answer natin. But first, let's double check. 1 and 0, that would be 0. Ayan. 1 and 1, that would be 1. 0 and 1, that would be 0. 1 and 0, that would be 0. 0 and 1, that would be 0. 1 and 1, that would be 1. 0 and 1, that would be 0. 1 and 1, that would be 1. And then 0 and 0, that would be 0. And 1 and 1, that would be 1. So, ayan. Diba madali lang? So, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. And please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!